So this is my 65 Mustang convertible. It's a 289 4-speed, a C-code car, 2-barrel engine. Start to show you the engine first. I'll just go start it. Fancy. It's not a hypo motor. So the previous owner put that air cleaner on. I have the original gold air cleaner. Yeah, it's really clean under here. This car was restored, I'm guessing, 10 years ago or so. Really straight car, really clean, really solid underneath. Just added air conditioning. Just added power steering to it. The car does not have air conditioning. It is an alternator car. It's not one of the early generator cars. Added power disc brakes. You can see the brake booster there, dual master cylinder, Bilstein shocks all around, power disc brakes, the two-door suspension arms that have the better geometry. So anyway, but just runs great and very solid. So we'll go around back and we'll just hear the exhaust. I used just OEM style exhaust. Just hear the rumble back here a little bit. So again, this is just the stock exhaust with the resonator. I'll just flip it a couple times. So we'll just do a walk around. The car is really straight if you sight down it. Dave's my photographer buddy, he's helping me out here. But just you can see, I mean, the body on this car is really straight. There's not ripples in the fenders of the doors, the panels. There's not door dings. I mean, it's just really straight, really clean, really nice looking car. Same thing up front. You know, this is not a Pebble Beach car, but this is a really, I mean, it's one of the nicest Mustangs I've ever seen. Upgraded, I've got, told you about the disc brakes. These are 16-inch American Racing wheels, and they've got high performance all-season tires, which I like for just driver cars. They're the Continental DWS, and I think these are 215 55 16s. Yes. And those are, I've only driven the car, I've had 3.5 years, I've only driven it like 500 miles, mostly just been working on it. So just did a lot of refinements just to make everything work good. New window regulators, new door latches. It's got convex mirrors on it so you can actually see what's going on. You know, little things like intermittent wiper switch. Just a lot of things that help the daily usability of it. It still just has the lap belts in the front and no belts in back. I do have 2 sets of 3-point seat belts, brand new, to go with the car, and those are pretty easy to install. So that's really it. Maybe just if we looked at both sides, Dave, and,
yep.
You know, just kind of show the sun and the clouds in the panels, so they can see, you know, how straight the car is. Oh, I'll show off the trunk. That's always very important. So really nice trunk, and I didn't cheap out here. We've got another brand new tire and mag for a spare. I don't know. To me, that's just a finishing touch. Not many people do, and I like doing that. So that's probably about it. I got a bunch of still photos too for the car. So that's good. Thank you, Dave.
You're welcome.